We have 4 stages of cash flow or financial freedom. 4 stages of cash flow or financial freedom. The first stage of cash flow of financial freedom is the employee. The employee, that is the job. It is a stage where you work for other people and they pay you at the end of the month. It's a stage where, after going to school, you come out from school, high school, you come out from high school, and then you look for a job with their file and you get a job and they pay you a token for appreciation for the work you have done for them. That is the first stage of cash flow. But there's another stage which you don't need to miss. You need to move from the first stage to the second stage. The second stage of cash flow or financial freedom is the self-employed. That's why they say if you're working for people, if you're working for somebody, you can never be rich. They are right. You have to move from that working for somebody to be self-employed or starting a small business. Of course, you can be working and you have a small business. Some people who are teachers, they teach, and when they come back in the evening, they open their shops, of course. So you must move from the first stage of working to being self-employed. So when you are self-employed, you are working for yourself. You pay yourself at the end of the month. You build your business to a certain level. And that certain level you build your business is not where you stop. There is another level where you move from the small business you're operating, the small business you are controlling yourself, to another level which will move you to financial freedom. The third level is what we call business owner. For you move from employee and then you move to self-employed. From self-employed, you move to business owner. What do I mean by business owner? Business owner is a stage where you now own businesses and other people run it for you. Of course, for you to be a business owner, that is, you have grown to have a big business. Big business. You are moving from small business to a big business. And this business is operated by systems. Systems. In other words, your presence is not needed in that particular business. The business goes on even without your presence. There are systems you put on ground. There are strategies you put on ground that people follow to do your business for you. Every day you get alert from them, but your presence is not there. But there's another stage, which is the last stage. You need to also move, so you don't need to stop there. Life is in stages and classes, so you move from that stage to the last stage, which will take you to financial freedom. And the last stage is investor. You become an investor, and this is the last stage of financial freedom. When you become an investor, where you have a lot of businesses, you have multiple businesses, having systems on them. You don't need to be their business. For example, Dangote have a lot of systems, have a lot of businesses operating on systems. He doesn't need to be there. His business is moving. So that is that they become an investor. You invest in other people's businesses. You invest in your own business. You have enough money to invest in other people's business. So at that stage, your money works for you. You don't work for money. You can decide not to do anything because your money works for you. Money speaks for you. That is the last business. That is the last stage of financial freedom. At that point, you can take care of even a nation. You can take care of a community. You can take care of the whole members of your family. You can decide to say nobody should work because you have a lot of income, multiple incomes that flows every day, every week, every month. So that is it. Please, if you're watching my video for the first time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching me on YouTube, I want you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb to show that you appreciate my work. If you're watching me on Facebook, I want you to follow me. If you're watching me on TikTok, I want you to follow me. If you're watching me on Instagram, I want you also to follow me. Don't forget, my name is Mefas. See you in my next video. Bye. Hello guys. If you're watching me for the first time on YouTube, I want you to subscribe to my channel so that I can get notification when I drop my videos. If you're watching me on Facebook, I want you to follow me. If you're watching me on TikTok, I want you to follow me. I love you. Please, I have a lot of things to teach you. Don't forget, I'm your financial coach. See you next time in my next video. Thank you. Bye.